New Mexico cop who says he was involuntarily committed to the state mental hospital by fellow cops will not get an apology, but he will get $600,000. Here's News 13's Amanda Goodman.
Imagine being shot full of drugs and locked up at the state mental hospital in Las Vegas for 10 days when there's nothing wrong with you. Sounds crazy, right? Well, attorney John Day says that's exactly what happened to his client.
He was labeled as a crazy person, and he had to undergo being locked up and treated as a person who had a psychiatric disorder, which was not the case.
Day is representing Los Alamos Police Detective Brian Shamber. Last December, Shamber says he was committed against his will.
He was making some comments that his supervisors thought were unusual, or they took them out of context.
Those comments had to do with the school shooting in Newtown, Connecticut. The county says Shamber was threatening to hurt himself and others, adding that he wasn't committed, but rather sent to the state hospital for an evaluation. Shamber sued for $25 million. Shamber no longer works for the Los Alamos Police Department. He now lives out of state. Just this week, Los Alamos County agreed to a $600,000 settlement. In a statement to News 13, a county spokesperson said they only settled to avoid a costly court case, adding that they're not admitting any fault or wrongdoing.
At the same time, they're paying out upwards of $600,000, so you can draw your own conclusions.
In Los Alamos, Amanda Goodman, KRQE, News 13.
Shamber's ordeal happened while the police chief was away on medical leave. Shamber's attorney says when the chief came back, he ordered an internal affairs investigation into all this, which cost one officer his job.